Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Hairstylist. I hope you all are fine and good with your family. If you visit my channel for the very first time, then I would like to tell you that this channel is created for those people who have a craze of hair fashion. If you also have a craze of hair fashion, then you come on a right platform. In this platform, you can get latest hairstyles, bouncy hair dye color ideas and trendy haircuts for women's and men's both. And you can also get hair growth remedies as well as also girls hair accessories. So guys, don't forget to like and share my videos and keep subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more new updates. So let's come to the main point. In this channel, I am discussing about chin length bob haircut, which is also called medium length bob. So my dear lovely viewers, my goal is to inspire our viewers to believe in self-confidence and to create their own unique style across all over the world. So guys, here you will find the latest updates in Visual Hairstylist. It is difficult to choose that which haircut is suitable for you. So I am your taste maker. So guys, you must watching my video without skipping it and watching till the end. If you love my today content, then do share it with other people as well as your friends and family members. So guys, keep watching my video and keep spotting me till the end. If you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I am trying to complete your request and bring more updates and latest trends for you. So let's come to the main topic. A chin-length bob is a bob haircut that ends near the chin and mid-neck. Chin-length bobs are also known as a medium bob hairstyle. The bob length works with almost all face shapes, but it flatters narrow faces the most. If you are looking to widen the appearance of your jawline, this bob cut is ideal for you. So guys, as you can see in my video, I am sharing with you several pictures with amazing idea. If you want to make this haircut, you can take the idea from my video and make your personality more adorable. So chin or jaw length bobs are incredibly popular in 2022. So here you get 40 cutest variation of chin length bob haircuts. As you know about that bob haircut is very trendy in 2022. So bob cut have a further categories and one of them is chin length bob. So a good cut depends on your face shape, your body size and height, says celebrity stylist Felix. A body is one of those styles that can make some people look younger if done right, but when it's done incorrectly or done on the wrong face, it can make you look older. So as you can see in my video, I am also sharing with you before and after pictures chin length bob haircut. So you can clearly see a huge difference in personality. So this haircut are also called a medium bob hairstyle. Most of the celebrities are influenced with this haircut and so this extraordinary chin length bob hairstyle make your personality more attractive and give you look more bouncy. So everyone can pull off a chin length cut, but I would use caution. If you have a very round face, he wants it's not always the most flattering style. Regardless, if you are looking of going short, have a thorough consultation with your stylist. The person who have a oval face shape is more suitable for this bob haircut. I hope guys you love my today content. I work so hard for you guys with honesty. So guys, keep watching my videos and keep spotting me till the end. And if you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I am trying to complete your request and bring for you more trendiest and popular haircuts and hairstyle for you. So most of the celebrities are inspired with this bob haircut and this haircut are so popular in 2022. Bob cut have more than 50 categories. The medium length bob is one of them. If you want to wear this haircut, you can take the idea from my video and change your personality and look more beautiful. So guys, I hope my today content is very helpful for you. Dear friends, please support me by sharing my videos with your family members and friends. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Take a very good care of yourself. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Take care.